In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use the Elevenlabs API key. This comprehensive guide will walk you through the necessary steps to get started with the Elevenlabs text-to-speech and AI voice generator using an API key. Whether you're a seasoned developer or just venturing into the world of APIs, this video will help you navigate the process with ease. First off, you'll want to head over to the Elevenlabs website. Simply open your preferred web browser and type in the URL for Elevenlabs free text-to-speech and AI voice generator. Once there, you'll see an inviting interface that serves as the home for your voice generation needs. It's designed to be intuitive and user-friendly, ensuring no previous experience is necessary to get started. Next, you're going to need to sign in. At the top right corner, there should be a Sign In button. Click on that and you'll be directed to the Sign In page. If you already have an account, great. Just enter your credentials and log in. If not, take a moment to create an account. It's quick and straightforward, and once completed, you'll have access to all the tools Elevenlabs offers. After successfully signing in, you'll find yourself at the Elevenlabs home. This is where all the magic happens. Before you proceed, take a moment to familiarize yourself with the layout. Knowing where everything is will make the entire process smoother. Now navigate to My Workspace. This is your personal lab where you can experiment with different voices and settings. Spotting it should be easy. Look for the tab labeled My Workspace and click on it. Once you're there, you'll have a range of options at your disposal. Within My Workspace, you need to find the API Keys section. Just click on API Keys, and it will lead you to the next step. This is the section where you can manage your API credentials, which are the keys to integrating voice generation capabilities into other applications or platforms. The final step involves creating your API key. You'll see an option that says Create API Key. Click on this button, and instantly a new API key will be generated for you. Make sure to store this key securely, as it's vital for accessing Elevenlabs voice generation services. And that's all there is to it. You've now successfully obtained your API key from Elevenlabs. Using this key, you can unlock a whole new world of possibilities, integrating cutting-edge voice technology into your applications or services. Remember, whether you're developing an app, enriching an existing service, or simply experimenting with voice technology, Elevenlabs makes it easy. Thank you for watching, and happy creating!